Good morning, happy homeowners. All right. Hey, if you want a copy of the book, just leave it in the message, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors. I'll get that to you. Getting ready to start our refinish, the real fine sanding of this beautiful, what used to be hand distressed. But it is not hand distressed anymore, but it's more beautiful than ever. Check it out. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Get the big machine out of here. Look at that. Go back and watch the videos earlier. Matter of fact, you know we got a little bit left on the edge here. That crazy orange, 1980s looking. Remember that? But whew, yeah, right here. Look at that. Now we're going to do our real fine sanding. And we went through about 8 colors yesterday. With the walnut, you're starting with a really light gray canvas, but there's a couple of boards and areas that kind of have more of a pink tone to it. So we looked at natural, we looked at dark brown, we looked at dark gray, light brown. And we have, see that? Yep. So what it used to look like. And we ended up, we're gonna go with a light, warm brown. And I'm gonna throw in a splash of gray, bam! Like emerald cooking. So it's gonna, that will soften it up. But you'll see. I'm gonna make you pay for the after video. It's gonna be so great. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. We gotta get these machines going. I can't wait to see this room. That's just gonna pop. I know my buddy said he likes the hand distressed orange brown walnut floor, but this ain't 1988 anymore. Can't wait. Can't wait for you guys to see this, man. About to blow this thing up. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be. Is your floor next? Is your floor next? Extreme makeover on your floor, on your house? All right, guys, out of here. Enjoy the day.